morning. Well, we're doing some shopping for the house. We're at Home Depot, looking around, and I'm just following and having a good time.
Are you a Shiba Inu?
Yeah.
Is it a baby?
About 12 weeks.
Oh my gosh, I've always wanted one of those. What a sweet. Can I pet?
Yeah.
It's a Shiba Inu. And they are precious. They don't get very big. Oh, really? No, and
Yeah.
they're beautiful. Look at her. Where'd you get it?
At the Las Vegas pet store.
Okay, look at this baby. Aren't they precious? Yeah. I knew. I almost thought. Yeah.
Getting a dog. It's a chick magnet. Hey Max, you look tired. Don't worry, we're almost done with the day. Just 2 more places to go. Hang in there, buddy.
Answer the phone, Manny. Look, read.
It's not for me, it's for you.
Answer.
It's not for me, it's for you.
It's Santa asking what you want.
What do you want?
I make pickle, Mom.
For a week, people, for a week. Oh my gosh, people. What are you doing?
I don't know, something you request. I don't know. It's Santa. He's giving you a gift.
Alright, so I'm at Costco. I'm talking to my brother and my mom on my phone. And we're gonna buy a TV. This is the TV we're getting. This guy right here. But it's gonna take a while because it's all the way up there. We'll get a TV soon. Yeah.
Does she need me as she breathes? Does she need me as she breathes? I'd like to know when we're in. Is this a duo? Does she be as she breathes?
This is gonna be fun. What that, Mom?
I want me to clean it. I want Phoenix and ketchup. And look at the big one.
Yeah. Alright, here's the fun part. We have to get this into here. We'll get it in there though. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, we got it in. I just hope this thing closes.
Oh, where's the wagon?
Yeah! We closed it! Alright. Just got the big TV. And I'm gonna take one for the team. I'm just stuck in here. But it's only closed. Whoa. Okay. I'm in. Okay, this is not so bad. I'm a little more comfortable right now. I'm actually laying down.
Shut up, stay there.
Shut up!
Manny, what you want?
Yeah, here's my view.
Oh, boy, my nose.
So I'm just gonna be here for another 10 minutes until we get home. And the fun part will begin. Putting a TV on the wall. Oh shit! Oh, I'm just laying here. Yeah. Are we there yet?
Nope. Just shut up.
All right, we're here. Now get me out of here! Open the door! Not that way.
Who that? Who that? Yeah.
Get me out.
He's in the middle. Huh? What are you doing, Manny? Oh.
Get me out. Oh, but
Hello.
the back my side.
What you doing, Manny?
God, God, get me out of here. Yeah. Freedom! Alright, I just got back from Costco and I bought it. It's a showerhead speaker, Bluetooth from Collier. I always wanted to see if this is pretty good. I mean, sounds are by Harman Kardon, so it should be good. Now I just got this, open end. Now I'm gonna switch it. I just hope it fits. Let's see what's in this baby. Ooh! Oh, look at this baby. To come out, there's like a plastic thing, and I'm not gonna it comes out like this and it comes in. Oh, that didn't look right. Oh, that's a magnet. What is it? A magnet. Huh, pretty cool. So this must be all the fittings and whatnot. I guess this is a charger for when I take out the center speaker. Plug. Instructions. Alright, now it's time to put them in. Alright, now it's time to switch it up. Dang it. It would be nice if I charged the speaker, huh? Maybe it might work, huh? Okay. Plug it baby in. Should be charged. Freaking hell, I got wet, man. God damn it. That's done. Let's see how good this is. First, I got my phone. Ah, dummy. Phone's in my pocket. Wonder how this sounds like. Whoa. This thing sounds pretty good, man. It is a Moxie. Ooh. See the sound of this, baby? I'm gonna have to play over it because I don't want to get copyright. Let's put this thing on here. It works! Hey! Alright. About to pick up dinner at a familiar spot with familiar food. Yeah. Been great.
Tonight we'll see and hear most kind of sound. Let's hear the rest of it.
Finally did it. Took about maybe hour. But he's a happy camper.
People on YouTube, is this small?
Just 77 inch.
Oh, you know, it's just 77
7
inches.
LG OLED.
You know, it was
No
only
sponsorship,
$3,000.
but we only buy the best.
Cause